Díomh maidin gach duine chuna sa táisih, tásúla go raibh brise an jazz agah. I hope you had a nice break. Tá mé fécint amach an inneog. Tá an aimsir go bra inniu nach bhfuil. Tá an spéir gorum níl éon scamal sa spéir, like mil ní ecem éon scamal on bhuineog seo. I don't see any clouds out of this window. Okay, tá an green ag tanmh agus tá mé really ag tnú le dul ag siúl níos Janie. I'm really looking forward to going for a small walk later, perhaps at lunchtime. Tá an I'm sure go hauling in you. The weather is gorgeous. Okay, so Conna Satashiv, our new topic that we're looking at is AD. Okay, and I'm sure you can guess by looking at this page that AD, as we should know already, are clothes. AD. So in the Haidi Vim with egg kav. Okay, so AD. Okay, so Beishivig de egg Danav on the Keshna Sho, August na Keshna Sho, August Shine. Okay, so Fragger na Keshna. So answer the question. The question is Cod a Ekin 2. So I'll leave a space for you to say it. Cod a Ekin 2. Cod a Ekin 2. What do you see? Cod a Ekin 2. Okay, so Fecum Kadesho. Fecum Kadesho. I see. Okay, so you write out Fecum and what you see. Okay, underneath here we have on Vecin 2. Okay, on Vecin 2, which do you see? So Kada Ekin 2, the question up above was what do you see? And on Vecin 2 is do you see? So on Vecin 2 Pitsami. So your answer there would be Fecum or Ni Ekum. So we have the clown here. We'll zoom in. Okay. On Vecin 2, do you see? Fecum, I see. Or Ni Ekum, I don't see. Okay. So on Vecin 2 Pitsami, we can see here, yeah. Fecum Pitsami. On Vecin 2 Ganzi. Now on Ganzi A Shin, Ni Ganzi A is Lena A. It's a shirt. A Ganzi is a jumper. Alright? So Ni Ganzi A. So Ni Ekum Ganzi is what will go in there. On Vecin 2 Ganzi, do you see a jumper? Ni Ekum Ganzi. Okay? Ni Ekum Ganzi. On Vecin 2 Lavani. Okay, yeah, Fecum Lavani. On Vecin 2 Skirta. Ni Ekum Skirta. Okay, and then here at the bottom we have our examples of the clothes given to us. Okay, so we have Lavani for our gloves, Guna for our dress, Broga, shoes, Skirta for our skirt, Kota, Stucky, Briste, August, Lena. Okay, so there'll be a picture up of this as well. Okay, so Biak Law, Jas, Agiv. Okay, have a good day.